Hey friends, if you wish to reset the Wi-Fi or Ethernet network adapter on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. There are two scenarios to this. Either you wish to reset the network and the network components, or you wish to reset the adapter itself. I will guide you through both of them. To reset the network, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab, select Advanced Network Settings, select Network Reset, select Reset Now and click on Yes. So this is for the network itself. But if the question is about resetting the Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on an active network connection and disable it. This will disable the adapter. Right click on it and enable it. So when you are disabling and re-enabling it, it is kind of resetting that adapter. Same goes for Wi-Fi. You can disable it and then you won't be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Then right click and enable it. Now when we are disabling and enabling the adapter, I am referring to the physical adapter which is inside your laptop or inside your computer, or if you have purchased an external one, then you can reset it accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.